Alright, so I'm just editing up a video here now, and this video is us going up to pick up Mike's new bike. Time to get rid of Old Blue and pick up something new, and boy, he got a nice bike, so check out the video. Alright, so I just rolled in Mike's place. We're going to get his new bike. Gonna find out what he's getting, finally. Old Powder Blue's going away.
Top secret.
Top secret.
Nobody knows. Few people know, I guess.
Where are we going, Mike?
We're going on a drive. A little ways away.
Old Powder Blue, all covered up, never to be seen again.
Where we're headed, I guess.
What's that?
We'll find out soon enough where we're headed.
Oh, there she is.
All his glory.
We're trading her in or what?
It's going away.
It's going away.
Yeah.
Alright.
Something a little bigger, a little better.
Perfect.
With less issues, I hope.
That's what we need. Alright, so we're going to get on the road, and we'll see you guys shortly.
See if anybody can guess where we're headed.
Did anybody guess where we're headed? We got Old Blue there in the back.
Gotta show them the highway so they know where we're going.
Going away. Where are we headed? We'll find out soon enough. Alright, we're almost there. Or we're on our way anyway. We had to stop. Hitting some A&W. Come on, Mike, give us a little bit more information.
I can't.
Oh, come on.
Well, we're going to a place that has some bikes and some other fun stuff.
All right. All right, we're almost there. Anybody figure out where we're going yet?
If you're looking at the street signs, you might be able to see it.
That's right. Old Blue's almost found her final resting spot. We're gonna see what he's getting. I still don't even know what Michael's getting. So,
only a few people know.
It's gonna be fun. See you soon. He's buying a tractor.
A nice black one back there.
Well, now we know where we're going. All right.
So we're parking front dead center here.
Sounds good to me. Got Elan Man over there to go in and talk to him. We'll see you in the store.
And what else
Oh, he's getting a CF Moto. There we go. Let's check it out and see what he's got. I guess this is it. Let's go find out what you're getting for a bike.
We're just dropping Baby Blue off here.
Oh, all right, all right.
What's going on?
There we go. We're here to find out what he's getting for a bike.
Somebody's Alan, I'm guessing.
Yeah, there's Alan.
He's right there. He got an X3. Look at that. They got a bow on it for him.
I was going through the texting like this.
Nice.
This is it right here, though.
This is it, the X3, yeah.
This is Jeremy.
Hey, Jeremy.
So you know, it's Mike.
Nice to see you.
Good to see you too,
Good to meet you finally.
You too.
We're going to take a look at it.
I want to take a look.
Yeah, I'm going to
That
see
part.
the big
We'll
reveal,
take
I
care of this
guess.
stuff after.
There's a hiding spot back here, is it?
We have a living room.
Aha. Sweet. Oh,
There it is.
he got an Outlander. Stereo and all.
That stereo will blast your ears off.
Nice.
Just all you do is Bluetooth it right to
Yeah,
your phone,
yeah.
and it takes seconds.
That is awesome.
I had it over here, someone just moved it.
That's quick machine.
Isn't it? I got pictures of this whole process for you too. Again,
Yeah.
I didn't send it because I knew you just wanted to see it.
Yeah, no,
But I have. Oh my gosh, I learned about how many. Because I was like, oh my gosh, it looked great. It looked funny in the beginning because everything was taken off, right?
It looks amazing.
Like this all comes out.
Yeah.
You take the radiator there, drain it, take it
Yeah.
all out. Like it's a long
850
hours.
Longer too. You think that's
He's got a bigger motor in this than I have in my Commander. I don't know if I'm cool with that.
that could be.
You can wait for nobody. Nobody out there on the market. Yeah.
What do you think, Mike?
I think it's mine.
It's a good thing. We're here.
Hard to wipe the smile off my face.
Yeah, I can tell.
Made that worse.
Oh, you got it dirty already.
I know.
Oh, come on.
It's better.
Just put it on the trailer and then it'll just stay just like that.
And your keys, the fob, right?
Okay.
The best way, pulling that straight up,
Yeah.
it'll be harder. Just turn sideways, just easy to
Okay.
take them off when you're.
So that's it. We got an 850 Outlander and we're getting rid of old powder blue. She's being traded in.
It's about time, I think.
It's about time, yes sir. Let's get this thing off the trailer and get the new one on.
It was a good run with a few bad ones with it.
Hey Clinton, does that look familiar? It's still here waiting for you, bud. Oh, we got all powder blue here fired up for its final drive. Oh, careful.
One more picture of it at its resting place.
Yeah, that's right.
A, he said I could get off the machine to start with.
Yeah.
And that he wasn't sore, and it was like a couple days after he wasn't sore.
Hole right now.
Far, buddy.
Am I going over here?
Yeah,
Way down the back. Got Elan Man here. Check him out on YouTube. He does a lot of the same things that I do. He just does it for snowmobiling. So check him out. Search Elan Man TV and check out his content. There it is. Let's hear this thing run. Fire it up, Mike. Come on. Fire it up. Let's hear this thing. You know what button to push? Nice. That sounds good. Man, that sounds good. Cold start.
I love it. That's one thing about the Can-Ams. Touch that button, it starts.
Starts, yeah. Oh, buddy, that sounds awesome. Is it ever? Man. It is. It's really nice. Offset on the black, right?
And have you ever seen the opposite, like the yellow with the...
Offset on the black?
Yeah.
No, I haven't. Yeah. He's pretty happy. My God, that thing sounds good. Gotta love that Yoshi pipe. That thing is a beast. Oh yeah, you're good, man. Oh yeah, you're good.
Status, new home.
Absolutely. Check it out. Leave it running. Leave it running. Man, I love that Yoshi bike.
It's a good trailer.
So this is it. Outlander 850 XTP 2019. She's all Mike's. I'm kind of jealous, gotta say. She's all strapped down. We're headed for home. Well, Mike got his bike, thank God, and he's a pretty happy guy. And I would be too. It's a hell of a nice bike sitting on that trailer. Trying to get some fuel here. Gotta get a little bit of fuel, and he's trying to make it to parent teacher, so it's gonna be tight. It's 6:30, and he's got to be there for a 7 o'clock appointment, so it's gonna be tight. So anyway, we'll see you in a little bit. So that's Mike's new bike. He loves it. That Yoshi pipe sounds amazing on it. Great Can-Am stereo on it. They teamed up with Wet Sounds and made a hell of a nice stereo. So anyway, he's pretty happy. It's nice to see, and he's been out for a couple of rides on it, having a great time with it. So anyway, anybody needs anything Can-Am, head up to Go Powersports. As you can see, they're good to deal with. See you on the trail.